So Ames, here we are on another House of Monarch project in Dingley, and for this one, job one, kitchen.
Yeah, the kitchen. Now, for some homeowners, it could be a little bit daunting. There's a lot to paint, but I think we've got it covered.
We'll show them how to do it easy.
All right, so obviously, Fuss, not everyone can afford to rip out and renovate their whole kitchen thinking we can paint it up.
Absolutely, and there are some great products that'll make this kitchen look brand new, and they're not that hard to do.
Yeah, and I'll also replace the cupboard handles, the taps, and it will look amazing.
And speaking of amazing, this room and kitchen flows into this open plan lounge. What are your thoughts?
We've painted it all up the same as the kitchen, replaced the curtains, some new furniture.
A lick of paint, your styling, magic.
Plus, I'm thinking maybe after this we can shoot past mine and clean my kitchen.
Great idea, but I'm busy. Look, it ain't much fun for me, but it's necessary. You want the paint to stick to these difficult surfaces, you got to Scotch-Brite them and clean them with some sugar soap. It's not that bad, is it?
Yeah, no, I'm actually having fun.
All right, well, you can do your own place on your own.
So we finished the cleanup, now onto the primer.
And you know I love painting, so this is interesting because you look at this, it looks like milk. You're not going to see it, but this is critical. Why? This helps our top coat stick.
Yeah, nice. So you wouldn't have a glass of it?
Yeah, probably not.
All right, let's get into it. I'll start over there.
All right, I'm up here.
Fuss, I'm loving this colour. It's just freshening up the whole kitchen, and it's just so much cheaper than ripping the whole kitchen out.
And I mean, you are right. You are saving so much money doing this, but crucially, spend a bit extra on a quality synthetic brush, and you need a mini roller, but it's got to be 4mm microfiber because this is going to put the product on super smooth and easy.
Yeah, the 4mm works a treat.
So Haynes, we're finally getting rid of this tired old apricot colour, but I tell you what, it's crucial that we get a colour that really goes here.
Yeah, I think going with the deep grey as the bench top and the lighter grey as the cupboards, it just adds so much contrast. Then we're having brass gold handles. Oh, I'm so excited for it.
It's going to look superb, you've got that right. Looking great. Is that the same bench top? My goodness. What a coat of paint does, huh?
What a coat of paint does.
Apricot, gone. Look at that.
In the bin.
You know, there's nothing more satisfying than getting that beautiful second coat done. We've done cupboards, we've done tiles, and now the final part is the bench top. We'll get that beautiful smooth finish from these quality accessories, let it dry, then it's time to style this all up. Now Ames, this is a classic example of how you can transform a tight old kitchen on a limited budget.
It has turned out amazing, and the best thing about it, anyone can do it with a little bit of prep work. Get your designs right, you're laughing.
And you know, design skills, that old dated colours, the tiles with those fruit colours, we painted them up in a crisp white, and that old apricot bench top, now contemporary and really in fashion.
It looks amazing, Fuss, and all I've done is replace the kitchen cabinets with these beautiful handles. Also put a brass tap in. Looks insane.
And it proves one thing, if we can do it,
anyone can do it.
Absolutely.